Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be talking about Hempco Foods. Before I begin, I want to talk about San Rafael. I just bought this product not too long ago, and I decided to do a review on it. Honestly, I don't like the taste of it very much. This is probably my least favorite San Rafael or Metro Leaf product. Some people like it. I don't like it personally. I don't like the taste of it. I don't really like the smell of it. But it still gets you pretty high. So I guess that's all that kind of matters. So we will talk about Hempco Foods. Hempco is a very volatile stock. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Throughout the entire year, it's been very, very volatile. You could have made really nice swing trades on it. The stock, I just want to disclose, I am a shareholder. I own 26,000 shares of Hempco. If Hempco drops to back to $1, I may pick up some more. So I'm hoping that it keeps dropping. And Hempco doesn't have many shares, so it can easily be manipulated if shareholders come in and decide to big money decides to pump up the stock. Then this stock can easily go up. It only has a $72 million market cap. Kind of makes no sense how low the market cap is. I believe that if you own a lot of Hempco shares, one day your Hempco shares will be part of Aurora. So it will merge with Aurora, and your Hempco shares will be under Aurora. That's what I believe in the future, that Hempco shares will eventually become Aurora shares, because Aurora is gonna probably take them out with the rest of take out the company with their stock. But right now, I think Aurora wants to leave Hempco as his own entity until they one day decide to merge Hempco with Aurora. That's why I believe will happen in the future. At least this is just my opinion. Aurora already owns 52%, and not too long ago they added a $5 million convertible debenture for 3% of the company. So right now they currently hold 52%, but if they covered the excluding interest, that would be 55% of the outstanding shares. They gave Hempco $5 million in convertible debenture is because they know Hempco needs money to continue to grow, and that's why they did it. It's not because they want more shares of Hempco. No, they did it because they know Hempco needs money to continue to grow, and that's a good sign because Hempco just got a $5 million injection. Oh, I had this one up twice. That's strange. Hempco sees growth in strengthening with introduction of the 2008 U.S. bill. This was released on January 7th, 2019. On January 7th, the stock skyrocketed from this piece of news, and ever since then it's been on a slope. I'm assuming if Hempco comes out with some more news regarding the U.S., we could see Hempco pump up to $1.80. So I think being patient and waiting and trying to buy as low as possible will make you a lot of money off Hempco. That's why I believe, that's what I'm doing. That's my strategy. I'm adding to Hempco because I believe at the end of the day, even if like I'm at a loss, at the end of the day, all my Hempco shares will eventually become Aurora. And the fact that Hempco stock is so volatile, I believe that eventually you will see $1.75 again or $1.40 again. So I'll just be patient. I'll just wait it out, and I believe that I will make a lot of money in the future with Hempco. That's what I believe anyways. So this is Hempco's investor relations. There's all investor relations have forward-looking statement. They finished their 56,000 square feet facility in Nisku. they have major new distribution agreements. They just got an investment from Aurora. Their selling revenue reach in North America, Europe, Mexico, and Asia. They are now whole plant utilization. They buy their plants from farmers, and then they use that plant to convert into usable products like foods and fiber and textile, paper, building material. So the whole plant utilization. So hopefully in 2019 the revenue will increase dramatically. They have they're in the pet market already. Over 1,900 stores. 8% of the revenue represents from pets. They had a deal with Kane Veteran Supply on March 2018. These are some of the Planet Hemp 13 products. They have a distribution agreement with Tree Life and Amazon and Well.ca. They don't have it for Amazon.ca in Canada, but they do have it for Amazon.com. So you guys, I've never tried any of Hempco food products before, but if I ever run across it, I'll buy it and try it out and review it for you guys. But so far, it's kind of hard to... I guess I could go to well.ca and maybe order it from there. I'll check it out later. Or maybe I could check it during the stream. Actually, let's just go check it right now. Well.ca. Hempco. Planet Hemp. Strange. Well, I can't seem to find any of their products on well.ca. Hemp hearts, hemp seed, hemp, yeah. Yeah, well, I can't seem to find it. Oh, well. Well, hopefully one day I actually run across the product. This is... I don't think this is a gambling stock because I believe that Aurora will eventually just acquire them. They already own 52% of the company. I can easily see Hempco being part of Aurora in the future. Let's continue. Whole plant utilization. I've been to this facility, so I know it exists. This is just not a picture. I went and I filmed this picture. I made a video about it. Some people saw it, some people didn't. Now it's finally operational. It's 50,000 square feet. I think there's 2 floors in this, so it's actually like 100,000 square feet if you take the bottom and the top. They can process 240,000 kilograms of fiber from their stock every month. That's a lot. So hopefully in 2019, the revenue, the profits, everything ramps up from this new facility that they have operational in Nitsky processing facility. This facility is literally a few minutes away from the Aurora Sky. It's like, I think 5 minutes or 3 minutes away from the Aurora Sky. The area is an industrial area that is just being developed. And oh, I saw Diana Zhang at the Aurora CEO press conference in in December. I can't remember the date when that press conference was. We were walking. I was walking to the press conference, and she was like walking down the hallway, and I saw her. That's all I really have to say about that. Anyways, So I went to Cedar to check out the financial report. This was for the month ending. There's no month on here. There's no date. Oh, August 31st. So this was ending on August 31st, 2018. This was before the facility was up and running. So, you know, the revenue was very lacking. It was $2.18 million versus last year, which was $6.548 million. So I'm assuming that revenue will eventually ramp up to this much eventually. Once they are in the facility and generating money from the facility. So I believe that October, November, December will be good months, and then after that, in the new year, it'll be very good months once the facility is at 100% operational. And the fact that they already have like $2.4 million in cash, with Aurora giving them $5 million in cash. I'll have a total of $7 million in cash, $7.5 million in cash, giving them a total shareholder equity of $60 million. Assets of $60 million, shareholder equity of probably $13 million, and the company right now is worth $72 billion. If you guys didn't know about my history of Hempco, when I was investing into Aurora, I wanted to invest into Hempco at this point. Hempco skyrocketed, and I was looking at the market cap, and it was like only over $100 million. I thought in my mind that Hempco could have went higher, so I bought some at $2.45, and then Hempco just kept going down and down and down and down until it hit $1.07. Then after that, it started bouncing from there. But I made a mistake. I thought Hempco was a good investment because Aurora was investing in it, and I bought it at a very, very high price. But right now, I think it's at a very decent price. I think it could drop down lower, which would make it even a better buying opportunity. Let's see. So this was for August 31st. So this was before the facility was up and operational. But now they have a 56,000 square feet facility to run their products. They can ramp up their revenue. So I'm assuming 2019 will be as much as 6.5 million or even higher, maybe $10 million of revenue in total for 2018. That facility also looks very advanced and high tech, so the profit margin could be a lot higher than, you know, what it is now, which is horrible. That's the one thing they need to improve, is their cost to sales. So hopefully that does improve a lot in the future. This is some of the location Planet Hemp Superfood store locations. There's none in Alberta or Edmonton, but there's some in Alberta, but there's none in Edmonton, which sucks. There's a lot in BC, and some in Saskatchewan. There's a lot in Ontario. But yeah, this is where they carry some of their products, is in Planet Hemp Superfoods store locator, I guess. So yeah, this is where all these locations where they're currently selling all the products. I guess that's all I really have to say about Planet Hemp. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be 10 minutes. Yes, 14 minutes. Wow, okay. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.